to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make beef jerky. And there are two flavors. One is called sweet and spicy teriyaki demon style, and the second one is called Lori's original demon style. What is demon? D is short for Dennis, and Dennis is my husband. He goes by demon for many years, so his friends and family call him by demon. So all this I learned from him, and I wanted him to be in this video to do the presentation, but I guess he's shy. He wanted me to do it, but I give credit where it goes. D-Man is my husband who teach me how to do this beef jerky. In this video, I do this also for my cousin in Australia. A while back, I showed the final products of the beef jerky, and she wanted me to show her how I do the beef teriyaki. And this is for you, cousin in Australia. Enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so what do we have? We this morning we bought 3.5 pounds of beef skirt. This is a Casa Asada ranchero style. This is what it looks like. 3.5 pounds. And with that 3.5 pounds, it took out all the fat in there from the beef. So it's better to, when you do beef jerky, it's better to take out the fat because it's really good. So what we have are lean meat. Okay. I'm gonna show you how I lay them down on the tray. So I spread them out evenly on the tray. Alright, and now I'm gonna show you all the ingredients we use for this beef jerky. Take this away. So like I said earlier, I'm making 2 trays. This is one. This is for the this one is for the original Lori style, beef demon style, and this one is for the spicy one, sweet and spicy. So I marinate them. This is Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. I will include the names of the ingredients in the description. Worcestershire sauce, grinded black pepper, and Lori sauce, teriyaki, Lori's teriyaki marinade, red pepper, crushed, and brown sugar. So what we do here is I'm gonna do the Lori sauce first. On the first tray, the original one, I'm gonna do a little bit more Lorry sauce. And this is the Worcestershire sauce. And the pepper. So that's what I did. I marinated one side. I'm gonna turn around and do exactly the other side. After I do that, I will put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and then I will take out. I will marinate the batch for the spicy, for the sweet and spicy sauce. I'll marinate that. But this first one is pretty much done, except for a few drops of brown sugar. All right. Okay, I finished marinating them both exactly the same. On the first, this one, the original one, has a little bit more Lorry salt. Okay, they will be refrigerated for 2 hours, and I'll come back out. I'll take them out and add more seasoning to the second tray. Two hours has passed. Now I just took out the meat from the refrigerator. This tray is for the sweet and spicy teriyaki. This is the red pepper crush. The teriyaki sauce, teriyaki marinade. And the brown sugar. And the other tray, the original one, I only add the brown sugar to it. Okay, so they are now ready to go into the Ninja Foodie. Let me take you to my machine. In there, I'm gonna cook for 5 hours, but I have to do it 2 batch. The spicy and sweet and spicy one I'm gonna cook first, and the original one I will do it tomorrow because it takes 5 hours. All right. I have 2 trays, the bottom and the top. So this is about a pound and a half. Almost 2 pounds on this batch. Okay. Turn it to dehydrate right here, and it's at 150 Fahrenheit. Cook, and then you go to time and you change it to 5 hours. So that's 5 hours at 150 Fahrenheit. Now let's see after 5 hours how it looks like. Wow. This is the final product. Here is the final product after 5 hours of cooking. Salty, sweet, spicy, it's all flavor. After knowing how to make beef teriyaki, we will not ever buy beef teriyaki again. So tomorrow we're gonna make the other batch without pepper. Very happy and blessed that my husband is a good cook. He has his own twist of how to do things. At times, he told me that he wants to open a business, a restaurant business in Vietnam. It is a lot of work, so I don't know. But for now, I enjoy his cooking. Sometimes on the weekend, I cook, he cooks. Let me know if you decide to make a beef jerky and how it turns out. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Not sure what I'm gonna make yet. Think about it. Thank you for the support, and take care and be safe out there. Goodbye for now.